Hello, this is our Rube Goldberg project. Our goal is to get this bag of goldfish
into this bowl.
Using 8 energy transitions.
And 3 different types of energy.
Let's explain how we made it.
The materials we needed were a book, a bowl, and a plastic bag.
A hammer and marbles.
Tennis ball, 2 golf balls, string, and goldfish.
We made a wooden seesaw and a pendulum to hold the hammer when it swings.
What were the steps in our Rube Goldberg project?
Our first transition is a remote control car. Electric current runs through the battery into the wheels, propelling the car forward.
The car collides with the wooden block, transferring kinetic energy from the car to the block, like this.
The next transition is from kinetic to kinetic. The wooden block hits the ball, triggering it to run.
The next transition is this tennis ball hitting this seesaw, which goes from potential to kinetic.
Next transition is the marble falling off of the wooden seesaw. This is a transfer from potential energy to kinetic energy.
Our sixth transition is whenever the dominoes are hit by the marble, which triggers all of them to fall. The first one starts the train, and it is kinetic to kinetic.
Our next transition is a domino releasing a suspended hammer on a pendulum, which releases the hammer, causing potential energy to turn into rotational and kinetic energy.
Next, the hammer hits a golf ball, sending all of its momentum into the ball. This is a transfer from kinetic energy to kinetic energy.
Our next transition is from the golf ball onto the domino. The transition of energy goes from kinetic to potential to kinetic, and the velocity is maintained through the whole time.
The next transition is the goldfish falling into the bowl. It goes from kinetic to potential energy.
How did we pick our design?
It wasn't easy.
When we tested our first ideas, they didn't work.
Our main issue with this Rube Goldberg is how long it was. So obviously we only have this length of the table to work with, and otherwise building it was our issue.
Eventually, we decided to change our entire Rube Goldberg project. We ran a test to see if the number of golf balls impacted the success rate of the overall Rube Goldberg, and we copied down our data on this graph and this chart.
And here's the finished product.
Yo.
Thanks for watching.